I have been licensed to sell real estate in Colorado since 1987. The problem that our industry has is that there are a lot of people out there now attempting to do short sales that have not been properly trained and don't understand the process. Statistically, only 20% of the properties that are attempted to be sold as a short sale close. That means that 80% of the people fail. It happens because the people that are trying to do the short sales aren't knowledgeable or qualified. We've spent the last 2.5 years learning the short sale industry. I'm involved with and mentored by a person who is the head of the loss mitigation department at IndyMac Bank. He and his team are available at any point in time that I need to have questions answered and I need assistance. In addition to that, I'm a part of a 14-member mastermind group of agents all over the United States. We talk weekly about what's going on in the short sale industry and how do we deal with banks and how do we get these through. So we have more experience than just about any other agent in southern Colorado, and 95% of all of the short sales that we attempt, we are successful in getting those properties closed.